Okay, so we're going to do another practice problem of graphing quadratic functions. And just to refresh you before your next assignment, all right, it's an important topic, so we're going to do two assignments on this same topic. So what we're going to do is we're going to graph y equals negative 2x squared plus 8x plus 4. So the first thing we need to find is the vertex. And to get the vertex, we need to find out what a, b, and c are. So our a, remember, is the number that's right next to the x squared. So that's our negative 2. The b is the number that's right next to the x. So that's 8. And the c, that's the number that's by itself. So that's our negative 4. And then what we're going to do is we're going to find the vertex by using negative b over 2a. So our x-coordinate of the vertex is negative b divided by 2a. And again, our b is 8, so that's negative 8. And then our a is negative 2. So we go negative 8 divided by 2 times negative 2, which is negative 8 divided by negative 4, which is going to give us an x-coordinate of our vertex of 2. Now that 2 is going to go right in the middle of our table of values. So we're going to put 2 right in the middle. And then we're going to pick two numbers smaller than 2. Oops, I don't know what I did there. We're going to pick two numbers smaller than 2. I'm going to go with 1 and 0. And then two numbers bigger than 2. Let's go with 3 and 4. So now I have my x-coordinates for my table down here. Let's make those a little bit bigger. And now we're going to pick y-coordinates. And all for the y-coordinates we need to do is we're going to plug these 5 values into our original equation. So when I plug in 0, I get a y value of negative 4. When I plug in 1, I get a y value of 2. When I plug in 2, I get a y value of 4. When I plug in 3, I get a y value of 2. And when I plug in 4, I get a y value of negative 4. And again, this top and the bottom y value should always be the same. And this second from the top and second from the bottom y value should always be the same. If you do not get the same answer, then you did something wrong. Also, if you're getting crazy numbers that aren't going to fit on the graph, you probably did something wrong. Usually, the most common mistake is having the wrong sign of this vertex. So getting a negative 2 instead of a positive 2 in this case. All right, now that we have our table, we need to make a graph. So let me draw my axes. So there's my y-axis and my x-axis, looking gorgeous. And now I'm going to plot my 5 points. 0, negative 4 is down here. 1, 2 is right here. 2, 4 is going to be here. 3, 2 is right there. And 4, negative 4 is right there. We're going to connect these. Man, that was ugly. Hopefully I can do a better job on this side. It's not much better, but we'll deal with it. And we get our parabola. I'm trying to make arrows. It's not going particularly well. So that's it. If you have any issues, come find me on Hangouts or email or through Classroom. All right, have a great day.